Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up parental controls on an iPad, follow these step-by-step instructions to protect your child online. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPad by tapping the gear icon on the home screen. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Screen Time to access Apple's built-in parental control features. Step 3. Tap Turn on Screen Time if it's not already enabled, then select This is my child's iPad. Step 4. Set up downtime by choosing hours when only phone calls and approved apps are available, perfect for bedtime or study time. Step 5. Configure app limits by selecting categories like games, social media, or entertainment and setting daily time allowances. Step 6. Enable content and privacy restrictions by toggling the switch on, then customize settings for apps, web content, and purchases. Step 7. Under Content Restrictions, set age-appropriate ratings for apps, movies, TV shows, books, and music. Step 8. Create a unique screen time passcode that only you know to prevent your child from changing these restrictions. Keep this code secure and separate from the device unlock passcode. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.